this is how Chai for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. We're gonna show you how you can use TradingView in your computer. I have here TradingView. Go to the page of your TradingView, connect with your account. This is my standard TradingView account, and here I have different indicator of different stock. You can see normally you can have chart here. All you see, if you hit this button, it will appear all the famous chart. You can delete and put whatever. I have SP500, other indicator altogether. For example, here I have AMC, Amazon, SP500, Alibaba, Nvidia, Nasdaq, and AMC again. So how you can add a new stock option? For example, I will close this all here. Now I have only stock here, that is Tesla. Tesla at the moment performing 267. You can see always at the top, and here at the corner you can see as well, or this part as well, market open, market closed. This is live. So how you can add a new stock? In this case, I hit plus button, and for example I can put here Apple. The sticker Apple is APPL. You see here I put the Apple indicator, is up here, Apple as a line. Now how you can modify this one? So here you have to see Apple. You see here, hide. If you hide, it will disappear. You see here you have setting option. Click this one. You see line view. You can put candle. The color of candle you can change as you want. I put green as a blue, and this one more as purple pink shade color. This is normal candle. You can put hollow candle. You can put column. Can put line. You decide. It's many things available here. I put candle here or hollow candle to remember this is Apple. After that, visibility, you have different things. You can change whatever, you can modify. I leave as this OK button. Then we have cross button. If you cross, this will disappear from your account from here. After that, we have 3-dot setting, strategy, other things, many other information available here. For example, you can add also new indicator. I throw out Apple from here, and this is now Tesla. So everything in this account, it will be Tesla. Then you compare Tesla with another. If you want to compare, for example, Apple, click this one. So this will be Apple. The principal is Apple. Then you can compare Apple with another stocks. So for example, this one is Apple at the moment. The price is 179.05 USD per share. In this case, I want different indicator. I hit this one. I want to compare Apple with different indicator. Favorite, I don't have any. My script, I don't have. Technicals, so you can put a technical indicator. MACD are more popular. I put here MACD custom. Your different version of MACD. You have to hit one and try. There are some one are better than another, but you have to find it out. In this case, I hit MACD custom indicator. Okay, so this indicator is activated, more or less giving you idea. This indicator is indicating it will go something as downward. They may not correct 100% accurate, this I must tell you. So don't believe totally on indicator. More or less they give you one idea. At the moment Apple is not doing good, is in red. You see here, these are the green. The yellow is more probability. So over time using, you'll understand. When you don't want this indicator more, you can close. Go to, for example, I hit another. I hit again MACD. You have different version of MACD. 4C. Here we go. This is another indicator. According to this one, Apple look more green. So each indicator predict different way. So market is very unpredictable, can go any way. You can have so many together. For example, I go back to my one. So this is Tesla indicator. I have many of them. I use all of them together. For example, I use AMC here. I close this indicator, I don't want. So this is AMC you see here. After that, Nasdaq, I want to see how market going on here, Nasdaq. After that, Amazon I put together. So Amazon I put as a line. Then Nvidia, it moves a lot. I put Nvidia here and SP 500 together. So you see, you can compare all of them together, how it's performing which way. Tesla is sideways at the moment. So hope guys this information is useful for you. If so, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. And take care. Wish you a lovely day.